Okay, go ahead. You see that water? Is that big? Count the wheels as we bump over them.
It's not that hard.
See, you can't even feel those ones.
You cannot.
See? So you see this path down here? Like down here? See that? That's the path that people use to hike up.
That is longer than taking this.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Senior Mall.
Where are we going?
To the top of that volcano.
Are you excited?
No, I'm scared.
Yeah.
I'm scared of this thing I'm riding on right now.
You're scared of the lift, but
What's that?
but you're excited to go up to touch
What's
the ice.
that, Dad?
They probably use that one for carrying material up and down, like wood. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Where are we going?
We're
Don't sit forward.
going to mountains.
Sit back, please. Yeah, we're going up the mountain, right? We're gonna go touch that ice.
And we're gonna touch the snow.
Are we cheating?
We're not cheating.
We're not cheating, so taking the lift up here instead of hiking isn't cheating? I think it's a little bit of cheating.
I think so.
Either way, it's fun.
I don't think this is a glacier.
Well, it's frozen ice. Snow, huh?
It's ice. Remember?
Hi.
I told.
Yep. Can you see the ice? Cool, huh?
Por allá yo le ayudo con ella.
Jump to the right side, Sierra. Good job.
Glacier.
We're gonna climb the mountain. Sydney, look at this line. Isn't that cool? So, Sierra, was this a fun excursion?
You're taking
Warming up, warming up.
Know that.
No, I'm asking you, was this fun?
Yeah.
Glad you did it.
Falling.
Now we're gonna climb off the mountain.
My bottom's freezing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dad made me slide down the ice.
Thank you. You chose.
I asked you if you wanted to slide, and you said yes.
Baby steps, yeah.
All right, Sierra. So now that we're done with the top, what was your favorite part about this thing, this chairlift ride?
You know what?
part that she was the most afraid of turned out to be her favorite part. Isn't that awesome? Facing your fears. In this case, it being the first part of your day.
I would say that Dad made me go down on some ice on my boat. And that feels like
Sliding down the glacier on our bums. I thought that
I hate this. My bum's still freezing.
was She liked it.
No, I hated it.